In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Python strings, and by the end of it, you'll feel much more confident working with them. In the first example, we simply create a piece of text and display it on the screen. Nothing too fancy. We just tell Python, show this message, and it shows exactly what we wrote. A very easy start, so let's move on. In the second example, we include quotation marks inside a text. Normally, this would confuse Python, but we use a little trick to let it know that the quotes are part of the text itself. When it runs, we see a clean sentence with quotation marks, like someone is actually speaking. All right, let's continue. In the third example, we find out how many characters a piece of text has. We basically ask Python how long is this string, and it counts everything, including spaces, and gives us the number. On the screen, we just see that number. Let's keep going. In the fourth example, we access specific characters from a string. It's like saying, give me the first letter, or show me the third letter. Python shows them one by one. And since Python starts counting from 0, the first character is at position 0. Cool, right? Let's move on. In the fifth example, we take only a section of the text. Think of it as cutting out a slice of the string, maybe the first few letters or a certain part you want to focus on. When it runs, we only see that selected portion on the screen. This is called slicing, and it'll be super useful later. Next one. In the sixth example, we turn all the letters into uppercase. So we take a normal word and basically shout it. Everything becomes big letters. When it prints, it looks bold and loud. Nice and simple. Let's continue. In the seventh example, we do the opposite. We take a text and convert everything to lowercase. This time it's more soft, calm, all small letters. Again, very useful when cleaning up text. Moving on. In the eighth example, we look for a specific word inside a sentence. We ask Python, where does this word start? And it gives us the position as a number. If the word is in the middle of the sentence, we see that position in the output. If it's not there, we'd get a different result, but that's for later. Let's keep going. In the ninth example, we replace a word with another one. So imagine a sentence that mentions one thing, and we swap it with something else. When the result appears, we see the updated sentence exactly how we wanted. This is super common when editing text. Almost done. And in the 10th example, we remove extra spaces from the beginning and the end of a string. It's like cleaning up a messy text. When it runs, the extra spaces disappear and we're left with the clean version. This is great when user input or data comes with unwanted spaces. That's all for this video. Now that you understand these basic string operations, we're ready to move on to the next topics. Let's continue learning Python in the next video.